In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in OneNote. By the end, you'll know the quickest ways to make your notes easier to read, sketch, and present, all without losing your place. Start by opening the OneNote page you want to work on. At the top of the window, click the View tab. This is where all the layout and zoom tools live, so it's the best place to control how much of your page you see at once. In the Zoom section, you have two main choices. If you just want a simple step up in size, click the Zoom In button, the one with the magnifying glass and a plus sign. If you want more control, open the Zoom drop-down to pick an exact percentage. Let's try a few so you can see the difference. Choose 120% to make text and ink a bit larger without crowding the page. Open the menu again and select 150% for a comfortable reading view. Go back in and pick 175% when you need to focus on details, like fine handwriting or small screenshots. And if you're presenting or really zooming in on small annotations, select 200% for a close-up view. When you've zoomed a lot, it's helpful to quickly recenter your workspace. In the same Zoom section, click Fit. This automatically adjusts the zoom so the current page fits nicely in your window, which is especially handy if you switch between different monitor sizes. If you want to return to a true-life view, choose Zoom to 100%. That sets the page back to its actual size, which is perfect for checking proportions or preparing to print. Now, let's cover the fastest method. Keyboard shortcuts. Press Ctrl and plus to zoom in. Press Ctrl and minus to zoom out. And when you're ready to reset everything to a standard view, press Ctrl, Alt, and 0 to jump straight back to 100%. These shortcuts are great when your hands are already on the keyboard and you don't want to break your flow to use the mouse. A couple of quick tips as you practice. Pick a zoom level that matches your task. Lower percentages show you more of the page for planning and layout, while higher percentages help with precise edits. And remember, fit is your friend when the page feels off-center or cramped. It restores a clean, balanced view instantly. That's it. Use the View tab for precise control, or the shortcuts for speed, and you'll navigate any OneNote page comfortably.